Salamat sa mga sumusunod. To the Lord, for giving me the opportunity and talent. Sa family ko po, Alex Guzman. To JV Artist Center po, is Gigi Sandragalara. To JV7 po, JV TV for giving me the chance to play the part of Ilustrado. Napakagina po ng pinagdaanan namin sa mga shooting dates. Kasama ko po dyan ang executive producer ko, si Kuya Jason, and si Ellie. Wow, iba yung feeling. Of course, sa Atenatics, maraming salamat. And gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang Adam Nation na ako. Bago pa na tayo magkakakilala sa Pilipinas. Thank you so much. Gusto ko, before I leave the stage, I would like to share you this quote na happy is the person who learns to wait as he prays and never loses his patience because in God's time is the perfect time. Thank you so much.